case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The groundwork for the case, known as Potts v. United States, was laid in 2007 when a group of people protesting the appointment of Alberto Gonzales as Attorney General and the mistreatment of prisoners gathered on the Supreme Court grounds. Displaying a banner and refusing to move to the sidewalk when asked by the Supreme Court police, they were arrested. Subsequently, they were convicted under a statute known as 40 U.S.C. Section 6135 that governs behavior solely on the Supreme Court premises. They appealed the decision to a higher court, challenging not only the constitutionality of the statute under which they were convicted, but also the factual findings of the trial court and the jurisdiction of the superior court. Nevertheless, the court summarily dismissed their arguments, affirming their conviction. It held that the superior court had jurisdiction over the case. The statute, it emphasized, did not violate the First Amendment rights as it applied only on the Supreme Court grounds, which were deemed a non-public forum where the government can reasonably regulate speech to maintain decorum and avoid impediments to its functioning. Even their argument that the display clause of the statute was unconstitutionally vague was rebuffed. The court interpreted the term movement in the statute broadly, including any person or group advocating any cause or message. The court also ruled that even a garment could be interpreted as a display device under the statute, whether or not it was religious attire. The critical factor in maintaining the convictions was whether the protesters' actions were not only intended to convey a particular message, but also whether that message would likely be understood by onlookers. Upon finding this to be the case, the court upheld the appellants' convictions. The Potts v. United States verdict upholds the principle that free speech, while fundamental, may be reasonably fettered in specific government spaces to maintain their function and dignity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.